Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making these yummy crock pot chicken enchiladas. I honestly don't share a lot of crock pot recipes because I usually don't really like them. A lot of people just put in canned soup and chicken and it's just not my thing. However, today I have a really good recipe for you. Basically, we're gonna just be slow cooking the chicken filling and then we're gonna be wrapping them up, baking them, but this is such an easy recipe and the chicken gets so nice and tender. You are gonna absolutely love it. Start by adding 3 chicken breasts to the crock pot. These have already been nice and trimmed and they are not frozen. Then we're gonna add some bell pepper, yellow onion, and garlic. Next, we're gonna add in our spices. This is a combination of cumin, garlic powder, salt, and chili powder. Add in some salsa verde, 2 cans of red enchilada sauce, and just a little bit of chicken stock. Then we're gonna mix this up, give it a nice little toss. We're gonna put the cover on, and this is gonna cook on high for about 2 hours and then low for an hour, or you can just slow cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours. So one of the ways that I really love to save time is just to go ahead and get all your toppings ready in the beginning when you're chopping up all those bell peppers and onions. I've just got some tomatoes and cilantro chopped up. This is a Roma tomato, and I've removed the seeds because I'm not a big tomato person. I've also got some cheese. This is just cheddar cheese. You can also use feta for this recipe, which is really good. And then I also have just some lime wedges sliced up. I like to serve it with these. So we're gonna be all ready to go. These are gonna go in the fridge, and then once our chicken filling's ready, we will go ahead and get these in the oven and bake them. Once the chicken's finished, take 2 forks and start to shred it up. I like mine really shredded, so I'll transfer it to a cutting board and just get it really nice and shredded. Then you can just put it back in the crock pot. Now just take a little bit of that extra sauce and pour it into the casserole dish and spread it out. Next, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and then assemble the enchiladas. Just put some chicken on there and some cheese, and then you're gonna roll them up. And this casserole dish fits about 8 enchiladas. You're just gonna cover it up with a little bit more sauce. Next, you're gonna pile on that extra cheese, and these are gonna bake for about 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, how good do these look? Next, I'm gonna top them with just a little bit of those tomatoes that we cut up and cilantro. You can also do some diced avocado on here, which would be delicious. And these are all ready to serve. That's it, we're all done with these easy crock pot chicken enchiladas. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. It was so easy in the slow cooker. Let me know if you want more of these. I will try and test some more crock pot recipes that are actually good. Thanks so much for watching, and consider subscribing. I post new recipes every single week, and I'm sorry if it's been loud because there's construction going on next door and it's horrible. It's never ending, but I will see you next time, and thanks for watching.